Hello students, welcome to your maths class. I am Jyoti Sachdeva from SCJDAV School Haripura. Today in our 8th maths class we are doing our worksheet number 6. We are on the question number 7. Now in the 7th question there is 50a square plus 98b square and 140ab. But a square, b square and ab, this is related to identity a square plus b square plus 2ab. But 50 is not a complete square, 98 is not a complete square, and for this we will firstly take a common number. 50, 98 and 140 all are divisible by 2, that's why we take common as a 2. And when we take the common as a 2, here left 25 and 25 is a complete square. And from here 98 we take 2 as a common, here left 49 and 49 is also a complete square. Now firstly take 2 as a common. Now 25 a square plus 49 b square, and from here we take the common, then it's comes 70 a b. Now make a complete square. 25 we can write here as 5a square, 49 we write here 7b square plus 2ab. Firstly write 2, then a means 5a, and then b means 7b. After that check it, it becomes 70. 7 5s are 35, 35 2s are 70. It becomes 70ab. Now 2. Firstly write the identity. It is x square plus y square plus 2xy, that is the x plus y square. Now value of x is 5a and value of y is 7b. Now fill the value in the right hand side of identity, means 5a plus 7b whole square. Now write it 2 times, 5a plus 7b into 5a plus 7b. This is our 7th question. Now let's see the 8th question. This is 64x square minus 81y square. Now this is a square minus b square, but 64 and 81, firstly we have to make it squares. 64 is a square of 8. 8x as a complete square minus 81 as a square of 9, then 9y complete square. Now it become a square minus b square, and this identity is of a plus b and a minus b. Now the value of a is 8x and where the value of b is 9y. Now fill the value in the right hand side. 8x plus 9y and 8x plus 9y, minus 8x plus 9y, 8x minus 9y. This is the factorization of the 8th part. Now let's see the 9th part. Statement of 9th part is 25 p square minus 9 q square. These types of questions are most important, always comes in the exam. Now 25 is the square of 5, p is already in square, so we can write here 5p square. 9 is the square of 3 and q is already square, so we can write here 3q square. Now write the identity. A square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. Now value of a, that is 5p, and value of b, that is 3q. Now fill the value. 5p minus 3q and 5p plus 3q. We can change here. Okay, this is our 9th sum. Now let's see the 10th part. 10th part is 16 a square b minus 64b cube. Now here b is in the cube, so firstly we will take here a b as a common. When we will take b common, then it's here left 16a square minus 64b square. Now make a complete square. 16 is a square of 4, therefore we write 4a square. 64 is a square of 8. We can also take common. We will do it in the two ways question. This question we will do in the two ways. Now write the identity. X square minus y square is equals to x minus y and x plus y. Now fill it. 4a minus 8b and 4a plus 8b. Now again here is a common number. 4 is a common. 4 is a common. So we take common here 4. When we take 4 as a common, here left a minus 2b. Again from here if we take 4 as a common, then here left a plus 2b. Now 4 4s are 16b into a minus 2b and a plus 2b. This is the first way. Now let's see this question again in the second way. Firstly write the statement of the 10th part. 16 a square b minus 64 b cube. B is common, so we take b as a common. Here left 16 a square minus 64 b square. But 16 is also common here. 16 common hai. And when we take the 16 as a common, here left a square. Okay. Minus when from 64 we will take 16 as a common. Then 16 for the 4 is also a complete square. So we can write here 2b square. Now take 16 as a common. 16b. Then here is left a square minus 4b square. Now make here complete square of b, that is 2b square. Now it is x square minus y square, that is x minus y and x plus y. Now fill the value. 16b into a minus 2b and a plus 2b. Same part as this one. Now see the 11th part, that is 25 x cube y cube minus 49 xy. Now firstly take xy as a common because it is in the both sides. Take common as xy. Now here left 25 x square y square minus 49. Now make here complete square. 5xy is a complete square and 49 is, that is 7 square, that is a complete square. Now a square minus b square, that is a minus b and a plus b. Now fill it. xy 5xy minus 7 into 5xy plus 7. This is the factorization of this. Now let's see the 12th part. That is p power 4 minus 256. Now let's see how to do. This is a p power 4. Firstly make it a square because we do already the identities of square. Square की identities की हैं तो हम square complete करेंगे. 256 is a complete square of 16, so we write here 16 square. Now it become a square minus b square, that is a minus b and a plus b. It means p square minus 16 and p square plus 16. Now this is a plus a square plus b square उसकी कोई आइडेंटिटी नहीं है. बट a square minus 16 is a complete square, means you can write here b square, and here is an identity. So again we write it in the complete square. 16 is the square of 4, and as it is we write p square plus 16. Now same identity we use here, means p minus 4 and p plus 4 and p square plus 16. This is our 12th part. Now see the 13th part. A square minus b minus c as a whole square. A square minus b square. Let's assume that b minus c is equals to x. Now we can write here a square minus x square. It means here is a capital X square minus, or you can take as a p square minus q square, that is p minus q and p plus q. Now the next step is a minus x and a plus x. Now fill the value of this one. A minus value of x is b minus c. A plus b minus c. Now open the braces. Outside in the braces there is a negative sign, for internal signs are changed. B has a negative sign and C has a positive sign. After that, A plus, in the outside of braces there is a positive sign, and so internal signs are not changed. Now this one is the answer of the 13th part, and the remaining sum we will do in the next video. Thank you.